Today, Congress Party is organizing a tractor rally to highlight the defects of the three draconian anti-farmers law enacted by the Narendra Modi government, BJP government, the center. In Punjab, the Congress government, as per the direction of our Congress President, Mrs. Sonia Ji, we passed a bill protecting the farmers against the attachment of the farm lands, their lands, up to 2.5 acres in any recovery proceedings by any court. Like that, even 3 years, not less than 3 years of punishment, and along with that, a fine to a person who is buying any agricultural produce, forcing the farmers to sell any agricultural produce below the MSP, minimum support price. I urge the state government, BJD government, they are making a drama behind the screen, join hands and glove with BJP. If they are really interested in the farming community, they must follow the footsteps of the Congress government in Punjab to bring a same type of legislation to protect the farmers. Otherwise, this the main setback for this three farm bills. One is the Congress government has given a minimum supportive price to the farmers. In 1965, we have brought this MSP. Now in this bill, they have mentioned even a one line about the MSP. Narendra Modi in a loud mouth, or BJP, wherever they address the press, they used to say that we will protect the minimum support price. If they are so particular about the minimum support price, they could have written some at least 2 lines about the MSP in this law. So they have not protected the MSP. Second thing, the contract farming. The big corporate sectors, they will somehow motivate the small and micro sector farmers by giving some money for their urgent needs, and they will make a contract along with that farmers, lakhs of farmers. Finally, they will force farmers to sell their produce at a lower price. Otherwise, after some time, the farmer will lose their land holding. So to protect that, only Congress government in Punjab has brought a bill. So the same way, if the BJD government is interested in protecting the farmers, they also must bring that legislation. But today, Congress party, to protest against that anti-farmers bill, we are having a tractor rally. Today, I think the PCC president might have told about police has not given permission for a long thing, only for a 20 kilometers. How many kilometers actually? Some he might have explained.
Do you think it's a one-day protest or you take it as right? Is it a one-day protest?
No, it is not a one day. See, it is a one day. Today it is a one day protest, but we will carry this program in each and every assembly segments in the course of days.
Impact on farmers and voters of Odisha.
No. See, that's what I am telling. The innocence of the farmers, the innocence of the people, where all these days BJP or BJD, both of them are exploited them. So the Congress party will definitely explain, we will educate them what will be the outcome of this bill.